Love Teens, very briefly, ano yung magiging status ng characters niyo dito? Ano yung mga pagdadaan? Yes.
Kami, as Luna and Calix, maghihiwalay kami dito. So, ayaw namin makita yung isa't isa. Ganon.
Pero of course, dun sa show, kahit pinapamukha ni Direk Gino na hindi ko siya hinahanap, syempre yung character ko, hinahanap ko siya.
For Elise and Sevi, I think it's like a little bit before they met, and then a little bit during yung ligawan stage nila, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because 5 years ago yun eh. I remember we did a scene yesterday. So parang liniligawan ko pa lang si Elise noon. Tapos, yun. Pero syempre magiging current. And then, yun na. Diba?
Diba? Hindi, sa amin kasi, doon parang napapansin nyo, kung hindi pa nagsastart yung book, parang hindi nila pinagtatagpo. Not until talagang book nyo na yung gagawin. So parang sa amin, so far, pabitin lang. I don't know if this time, siguro kasi kung group of friends lalabas, makakasama. Pero most of the time, hindi naman nila pinagtatagpo. So far, medyo wala pa yung sa amin. Di ba?
Oo.
Sa amin naman, kay Hiro at kay Yana, as far as I remember, nasa out of the country yata si Hiro. Tapos, dahil madaming timeline ang itatakel dito for sure, every book naman may mga timelines. Andun yung si Hiro nasa nag-aaral, meron din yung, I hope, dito na yung ikakasal. Yung pagtataguan, I guess. Ayun. Na isa ka sa si Sam ang mga culprit kung bakit nawawala pala talaga yung ano. And kay Yana, as usual, andyan siya lagi. Kung paano si Sam kay Yana nung Safe Skies Archer, I guess, ganito rin si Yana.
And Abby?
Yeah, and Abby, kasi best friends kami dito ni Sam. So, ninang siya nung magiging anak ko, tutulungan niya ako sa pagtatago and everything. Like, siya talaga yung tumayong ama at the moment. Ina at ama pag wala ako, kaya wala si Hiro. So, yung support na binigay niya sa akin nung book 2, yun naman yung ipapakita ko, yung support ko sa kanya sa book niya. I love Hiro!
Konti lang yung taping days. Parang puro inuman lata yung puro inuman. So, yun.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I think ang maganda kasi dito sa University Series, sa bawat libro, magkaka-merge talaga. So every season, may iba-ibang timeline. And each timeline, natatackle yung bawat challenges ng bawat character. So I think kahit ang focus dito, mas makikilala natin si Sam at si Clyden, meron pa rin pasulpot-sulpot ng mga challenges ng mga Univercata. Ayun. Thank you po.
One question and simple. Earlier you mentioned that opposite attracts. Do you believe that opposite attracts?
I do believe in opposites attracts. At the end of the day, as long as you guys know how to work out your relationship or you guys coexist, not on like particular things, but on the main goal of your relationship, then yeah, I guess opposites do attract.
How about you?
For me, I'm not sure about that. Opposite talaga. Joke lang. I'm not sure kasi, well, hindi pa naman ako nagkaka-love life. Pero for me kasi, better if, like, you're same, you know, same, ganito, ganyan, you're not totally opposites. Yeah. Para ma-attract ka sa isang tao. For me lang ha, parang na-feel ko na, oh, if we're the same on this ganito, ganyan, ganitong trip, ganyan, doon ako na-attract. Yeah. Pero we'll see. Joke.
With that, sorry, mahabang question. So far, what have you learned with ano yung mga nalaman niyo sa isa't isa? Thank you.
Actually, a lot. I mean, it's too many to mention, but like at the top of my head, what I learned about Aubrey is really how to make her comfortable talaga. Because as we all know, in this book, there are gonna be some intimate scenes and the likes. So I'm just really doing my best to make sure that she's comfy with me. Kasi, yun nga, never pa siya nagka-love life, never pa siya nagka-boyfriend. And ako, I had those experiences already. So I'm just really trying my best to make sure that she's comfy with me.
Ako naman, siguro natutunan ko sa kanya. Lagi sinasabi sa akin na valid yung feelings ko. Hindi kasi ako yung tao na, Hindi ako yung tao na, well, kakashare ko lang to with you guys. Hindi ako ma-share with my problems, with anything, with my feelings, kasi nahihiya ako. Nahihiya ako na, kunwari sa problems ko, I don't want to be a burden, to my friends. Alam ko kasi, parang gusto ko lang kasi magbigay lagi ng happiness to everyone. Kahit na I'm struggling, I'm always smiling, I'm always laughing, pero I'm really struggling. Ayun, so natutunan ko na parang valid yung feelings ko, lahat pwede kong sabihin sa kanya, if I'm mad at him, naiinis ako, gano'n, valid yun, tinatanggap niya yun. Ayun, yan na.
Thank you, Angelica Villanueva of Manila Standard. Up next is...
Good afternoon and congratulations sa inyong lahat. Direct Gino na lang. Kasi since this is the fourth installment of the Unibarkada series, ano yung mga bagong challenges na kinaharap mo kasi yung na pinagsama-sama sila lahat?
Bagong challenges. I did the second book, yung Safe Skies Archer, and this is the fourth one already. What I can say na they all are in the same world, but this one's very special and different as well kasi we deal with a lot of issues here. Finding yourself, technically, yung role kasi ni Aubrey dito, hindi pa alam kung anong gusto niyo gawin. Kung nabasa niyo yung book, ganun yung challenges ni Aubrey dito na as Sam. And of course, daming issues ita-tackle here. If you guys know, you know. But of course, Abby's going to do that role very well. And I'm just keeping the set really light and really fun just because merged na silang lahat. And it's just a positive, environment. And I'm really thankful na okay kami lahat, na nag-jive lahat ng cast namin. Kasi you really see the friendship in and out of the camera. So, yun. Parang wala namang masyadong challenges, but I guess we're just staying faithful with the book. I think that's what all the fans want, and what I want too. But also parang, syempre, every season, pinapush pa namin to make it bigger and better. So hopefully, this one will exceed the expectations. Thank you.
Mahabol na lang isa. Kumusta naman sila Claudine and Andrews, mga Bobby Andrews or Claudine Barreto?
It's my first time working with them. They are lovely. Si Clau, of course, that's Miss Claudine Barreto. I'm so honored to be directing her, and she's just so sweet. She's so sweet on set. And it's a little bit intimidating for all of us at first kasi Miss Claudine Barreto yan eh. And I think Aubrey should answer this because first day, her scene was with Miss Claudine Barreto. How was your experience?
Umiyak po. Umiyak po ako sa takot. Pero before naman po, we had a scene together. I'm okay. Like, I'm doing a pretty good job naman. Like, one take. Like, ganon. Pero nung kasama ko na si Miss Claudine, like, dinner scene namin with Sir Bobby Andrews, nagpapanik na po ako inside. Kasi, hindi ko, parang, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na, oh my gosh, ka-work ko si Miss Claudine, ka-work ko si Sir Bobby Andrews. Tapos, sila pa yung parents ko dito, tapos I'm the lead role. Parang nagpatong-patong na po yung pressure, everything, excitement, lahat-lahat. So, I mean, that time, like, I can't act well talaga. So, direct parang, okay, again, and it was so like, nahihiya na po talaga kina Miss Claudine. Pero they were so nice. Like, sobrang patient nila sa akin. Pero that time, yung nilabas na ako ni Direk para kausapin ako, sabi niya, how do you feel? Sabi ko, I'm nervous, as umiyak na lang ako. Tapos, ano lang po talaga, siguro pressure lang, kasi malaking project po to sa akin, and yung parents ko pa dito, like sina Miss Claudine and Sir Bobby, so mas doon lang talaga na pumasok sa akin na, oh, this is it na talaga. Like, different na to from other projects na nagawa ko. But I'm really, really grateful for that experience dahil kahit pa paano na-feel ko siya.
Okay, congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.